Hi there, we're going to work on password resets for the teacher coordinators or the ILT members. Most people will be equipped with that ability. The rosters have not been loaded yet, so this will not work the way I want it to, but we'll kind of go through the general idea. Ideally, you would find your class, click on the class that you have, go to Tools, and then hover over it, and then you'll have the ability to manage your class. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Class. Now if you scroll down, you're going to look at members and permissions. We just need to look up the list of people. Now right here you'll notice that I do not have my class roster here, so that's not going to be possible. Another way you can go about this, because if you have the class roster here, you should have this button that says Edit. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you through a different way. Not everyone will have that ability. So let's see. I'm going to go to Manage Users, and we're going to find a poor unfortunate soul. Let's go ahead and mess with Jen Miller. So here I have Jen Miller, and right now in this new view, if I go to, I can click on her name and I can edit her right here. I clicked on her name. I know you don't have to check it, but if I hit edit, the key thing is you want to find that edit button. I can change her passwords. So if I go over here, I can look up her name and her ID number according to edline. Her name is Jen Scullin, and I don't have the ability to look at her passwords for security reasons, but what I can do is I can change her password. So right now she's not going to know. She's going to find out that I'm going to change it to Scullin13, and they're going to ask you to retype it once to make sure you typed it in correctly, and update it. Therefore, she is set to go. Now getting to the screen, if it's still an issue after we've had our classes loaded, what you could do simply, if I go backwards, sometimes the screen, it's going to make us, we want to switch to classic view, because that's what you're going to see, which is located right here. Okay, so I'm going to go to classic view. And then you can look up the students by entering them in. You can look up the student alphabetically. And now, if I wanted to go to Blake Adams, I can go ahead and hit edit right here on the side. You can see that there's all these edits where I'm just kind of lining up. And same thing, I'm going to try to edit Blake Adams. And I have the ability to change password again. I hope that helps. And actually, let's go ahead and sign me out. I think it was Jen Scullin. I said Scullin 17 or 13. And this is what's going to happen. It's temporary password. So it's going to ask people to change to their new password. So I'm going to do Victor is cool. No space. Victor is cool, and I'm not going to save it on the computer. So Jen Miller's password right now is Victor is cool. Hope that helps, and you like our new design. I have water going on here, but I think your pages might go with the sky.